Hey, thanks for watching. This video will take you through installing the fairings and the front fender on a 2007 CBR 1000. I'm going to attach the wiring to the inner fender here because it all slides on there, so I want to get that in place right now. This one clipped in there. This one went all the way to the bottom. It's going to fight me a little bit, so I'm just going to put a little bit of grease right in here. There we go. And there's this relay. Rehook this. I unhooked this to get it in there. Now the only thing left is to mount these guys. Now I'll put this fairing on. First thing I'm going to do is hook up these wires for the signal. And that'll get tucked in there too. And pay attention to how these go together. Somebody already broke this one. Push the clips on the fairing into the holes on the upper and then slide it forward. This rear bolt has a spacer on it. I'm not sure if that's factory or if it was added because of the frame sliders. Just start that. Now I need to work on clipping in this inner. If you're enjoying this video, if it's helping you out, please like, and if you would, subscribe. If you think you could use more of my videos, I would really appreciate it. So there's tabs that'll catch right inside there. Clip your lower guard into the inner cowl and add your quick pin. Slide your inner cowl in and then clip it to the lower guard. Attach the wires and then slide the fairing into place. Clip the inner cowl to the fairing and add a quick pin between the inner cowl and the fairing. Finger tighten the rear mounting bolt. This one also has a spacer in there. Add the 4 quick pins between the inners and the upper fairing. Add the 4 remaining quick screws to the inner fairings. There's 2 in the middle and 2 up top. And there's these 2 that go up top. On the lower here, we just slide this up between this and the mid fairings and the inside of the lower here. Add the back bolt, then move on to the front bolt. The other side, add the front bolt, then the back bolt to hold the lower in place, then the middle bolt, and finally the upper bolt. Reinstall the 2 quick pins on the bottom. Slide the front fender into place and start adding the hardware. Don't tighten anything down yet. Once you've got both sides started, you can go ahead and tighten down the hardware for the front fender. Add the 2 push pins at the top front of the cowls. Now go back through and tighten all your hardware down. If you need to see how to remove fairings, check out this video. Check out the next video in this series on how to change the air filters. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here.